My name is Kimberly White.
I'm Mona Lisa.
My name is Jordan.
I'm Denise Schmitz.
I'm Cassandra.
My name is Tanisha Dollison.
Hey, I'm Keith Harris.
My name is Shonda Meeks.
My name is Brenda Brown.
Tiffany White Vulcan.
My name is Anita Patterson.
Okay team, it's that time of year, the Omaha Gives campaign. Last year we challenged you all to raise over $10,000 on behalf of our patients, and you did it. So this year we're going to challenge you to raise over $20,000. The governing board, foundation board, our volunteers and our staff, we're going to roll up our sleeves to get it done this year. I'm counting on you to raise over $20,000 on behalf of our patients, the ones in which you serve every day. Let's do it. I know you can. Let's do it again. Omaha Gives.
May 20th is the day to give. Give, give, and give. Not only giving to Charles Drew Health Center, you're giving back to the community.
Every day that I come here to Charles Drew, this is my purpose, and my purpose is to give.
My family has been a part of Omaha, Nebraska for 97 years, and we're called the Dozens of Cousins. As a matter of fact, anytime I walk out of my office, I can see one of my family members sitting in the lobby of Charles Drew. So giving is really important.
I think it's important to give to the Charles Drew Health Center so that we can provide quality care for those that are in need and who truly do benefit from our services.
The reason to give to Omaha Gives, and especially to give to Charles Drew, is to help our community, to help us as servants of the community.
We're here to serve everyone in the community from all walks of life, no matter where you come from or where you've been. Charles Drew is a great place to seek services, to get quality health care, and this is an opportunity for people to hear that, to know that, and to contribute to that cause.
We have things for pediatrics, adults, Women's Health Matters. We also have WIC, Fathers for a Lifetime, mammogrammy, and colonoscopy. Help us help our community. Be a blessing to those who need blessings.
It's nice that we work with different varieties of people. You don't have to be rich. Sometimes you're a little poor. And I just think it's good to give to Charles Drew Health Center.
It's important to support Charles Drew Health Center during Omaha Gives so that we can continue to provide quality care for the people in our community.
As a dietitian, I see a lot of families who are stressed out about money and finances, and they're trying to take care of themselves and their families. When I hear back from a patient that their A1C is improved or that they're off a medication, maybe they've lost weight, that's great. But it's also great when they are able to have money left at the end of the month, when they attend one of my classes and learn how to spend their dollars wisely. So please give to Omaha Gives for Charles Drew Health Center. Every little bit helps.
Charles Drew does so many great things for the community, and it makes Omaha a better community overall.
And it is important to give to Charles Drew because that's how we're going to be able to help society here around us.
Charles Drew Health Center is a passion of mine. We treat the patients that no one else treats. We treat the indigent. We treat people who have lost their insurance coverage. We treat people with insurance coverage. We're there for our patients.
There are a lot of people in need, so what Charles Drew does is we like to give to our community and help kids, help families that go without. So it's important to give to us so that we can give to other people.
We're here to serve an underserved population that needs the things that we provide. So have an opportunity to help support that and to give by donations to that mission and to that cause is an exciting thing. And I was real excited because I won the 50-50 challenge, and yes, I won, but what makes that even better is that it gives me the opportunity to give those donations that I received back out to the community again, so that money can just keep generating good things for us here and for our clients here at Charles Drew Health Center. So I would like to motivate you to give. I would motivate everybody to do what you can to help the people that we serve.
Well, I think it's really important to give to others. I think charity starts at home. I think I'm a firm believer of it's better to give than it is to receive.
My children know that we live in the community, we support the community, they go to the schools in the community. So I want them to know that it's important to give back to your community.
I
I have a long history with Charles Drew, and I do believe in reaching down in the community and pulling up in the community, because this is the community that I grew up in.
So I get the great honor of helping women by empowering them to make health a priority in their lives, by helping them make the decision to get cervical cancer screening. It starts with education, it starts with support, it starts with holding their hand through that process, being there for those women before, during, and after. I can't do that without the help and support of givers and supporters as yourself. From a personal standpoint, I have seen the impact this program has done. Watching a woman who may never have had a screening before or come in who's never had insurance and being able to tell them it's okay, I understand your struggle, and I understand that getting a pap smear is not something like going in and getting your ears checked. It's a big deal. People want to be seen, they want to be heard, and they want to know they're not alone. But I can't do that without your support. So because of your help, I've helped impact many women in our community to make health their priority and save lives. So thank you. Thank you for considering a donation today.
Thank you so much, Charles Drew.
Thank you for giving. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And me and my wife have been patients at Charles Drew for a number of years now, a couple of years, about 3 years or so. We are both currently students. She's a medical student and I'm a graduate student at UNO doing a master's program. And so we found out about Charles Drew, and we've been able to get all of our health needs here from, we just had a child, all the pre-birth health needs my wife received here from Dr. Tolson and their staff. It was great. We actually kind of feel like a bit of a family, from the front door to the nurses, to the assistants, to the doctors, to the dentists, to the pharmacists. You know, we use all these services, and it really helped my family out a great deal. I just want to say thank you to the staff, and thanks.